Hi everyone, this is Mindy Fulcher. I'll be your instructor for the Design and Build course. This is going to be an interesting course, maybe different than what you're used to taking, mostly because this is a continuation course, meaning the first 7-week term will be focusing on the design portion of your projects, and then we're going to continue the build portion in the second 7-week term when you repeat the Design and Build course. So this class is really about putting everything together so far that you have learned. The design portion of the course is going to be focused more on planning and aesthetics. So we'll be going through all of the various phases of development. So pretty much, we'll go through concepting and research and brainstorming, wireframing, working with each other in the course to really give feedback on your ideas. We'll really think about the technical feasibility portion of, this project, just all of the kind of final details that you'll have to decide before you actually begin building. This is all the design side and the aesthetic side. What does it look like? What's it going to be? And then in the second portion, the second 7 weeks, we'll get more into the development, testing, deployment, all of that stuff. So this course also is going to be a bit different, maybe, than what you're used to, because it's going to be a bit more flexible, a bit more like an independent study or a self-paced type project. It won't be completely self-paced though. I will, because it's a large project, I think it's best for me to keep everybody on the same page. So you'll have weekly deadlines, weekly check-ins, just to make sure that you're not all procrastinating and then we end up at week 7 and you've put everything off and focused on all of your other courses, which I know you all have. I know you all have a lot going on. So just hang in there. I know how tough it can be. I've been there for sure. So also one thing I wanted to talk about as we get started about your project. I really want you to choose something that you're personally interested in. I really think your portfolio should be a reflection of the types of jobs you want in the future. So if you create portfolio projects that reflect, your interests and where you want to go with your career, then that's just, one thing that's going to help you get where you want to get eventually. So just keep that in mind as we think about what type of project you want to create. Everybody's going to be creating different projects. That's another thing that's going to be different about this class. So we'll be hopefully, as a class, still being able to help each other, having those opportunities to help each other, even though, we're not all working on the exact same thing. I still think that's going to be a great learning opportunity for everyone to sort of watch each other's projects develop. You'll be able to learn from that, and then, of course, in the future, if you come across those same types of issues, you'll have experience with that, even though you possibly didn't create that exact project yourself. Okay, I think that's all I really need to talk about in this first intro video. So head on to Module 1 and get started. I look forward to it.